In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Gmail emails fixed today. Here, let's begin. Go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into the account you want to back up. Once you're inside your inbox, look at the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the panel that appears, click Manage Your Google Account. This will open your account settings in a new tab. On the left sidebar, click Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the section called Download or Delete Your Data. Under that section, click Download Your Data. This will open Google Takeout, the tool used to export your account information. At the top of the list, click Deselect All so you can choose only the data you want. Then scroll down until you find Mail and check the box next to it. If you want to customize what gets included in the backup, click All Mail Data Included. Here you can filter specific folders, such as removing spam, or keep everything selected. Once you're done, click OK. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next Step. On the next screen, scroll down again and click Next Step to continue. In the Transfer to drop-down menu, select Send Download Link via email. You also have the option to send the backup directly to Google Drive or other storage services if preferred. Under Frequency, choose Export Once. Set the file type to .zip and the file size to 2 gigabytes so large backups are split into manageable parts. Then click Create Export. Depending on how many emails you have, Google may take several hours to prepare your file. Once it's ready, you'll receive an email notification in your inbox. Open that email and click Download Your Files. You'll be prompted to enter your password to verify your identity. After verification, download and save the zip file to your computer. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations